Good morning students and welcome back. Yesterday we started new lesson Papa Pana's special Christmas. Okay. I hope you remember the story. This is about the old Papa Pana who is a shoemaker in the village where he stays. He has a shop, and as it was a Christmas Eve, everything was bright up with the lights surrounded over that places, and the delicious smells of the Christmas cooking were also spread over there. He remembered about his wife and his children who are no more today, and this thing made him very sad. He sat firm over there, put up with the shutters and all, and he kept a coffee to eat on the charcoal stove. As he was having his coffee, he took the Bible, his family old Bible, to read, in which he saw the story about the Jesus Christ who was born in the cowshed, his mother Mary and his father Joseph. Later on, as he was reading the story of Jesus Christ, he was very tired and he was feeling sleepy, and soon he fell asleep. Okay, and he soon fell asleep, and as soon as he fell asleep, he dreamt. Okay. He dreamed that someone was in his room and knew at once, as one does in dreams, who is the person was. It was Jesus. And means he saw Jesus Christ in his dream. You have been wishing that you could see me, Papa Pana, he said kindly. Then look for me tomorrow. What he said? What Jesus Christ said to Papa Pana, that you are wishing to see me, so you will see me tomorrow on the Christmas day. But look carefully, for I shall not tell you who I am. What he said, you have to look carefully yourself, because I will not say who am I. You have to guess me in that old day. When at last Papa Pana awoke, the bells were ringing out and thin light was flittering through the shutters. Bless my soul, said Papa Pana. It was Christmas Day. Means when he woke up in the morning, it was a day of Christmas and the bells were ringing, the light were flittering, and all the places it was just enjoyment, shouting and spread shouting and all. It was over there celebrating the Christmas Day. He stood up and stretched himself, or he was rather stiff. Okay, this up to here I have explained you. He stretched himself. Whenever you get up from your sleep, you stretch up for the warm up. Okay, तो वार्म अप करने के लिए, अपने शरीर को ये करने के लिए आप स्ट्रेच करते हो अपने आप को. Even he stretched the same things, and he remembered the thing what the Jesus said in his dream, and he was looking for Jesus Christ. How would he look? Would he be like a baby as had that first Christmas? Would he be a grown-up man, a carpenter, or the great king that he is, God's son? He must watch carefully the whole day throughout, so that he recognized him however he came. Means he didn't know in what form Jesus Christ will be coming. In the form of baby, or a grown-up man, or a carpenter, or the great king. He is okay. Papa Pana put on a special pot of coffee for his Christmas breakfast, took down the shutters and looked out of the window. The street was deserted. No one was staring at no one except the road sweeper. He looked as miserable and dirty as ever, and well he might, however, wanted to work on the Christmas Day and in the cold and bitter freezing mist of such a morning. Okay. As soon as he got up, he opened the shutter and he just peeped out from the set, and he saw that putting the coffee for himself, special pot of coffee, and for the Christmas breakfast. Okay. He saw the street was deserted, means there was no one on the street except only the sweeper. Only the sweeper was there in the cold freezing time, and he was working at that time. He was sweeping the roads and all. Papa Pana opened the shop door, letting in a thin stream of cold air. Come in, he shouted across the street cheerily. Come in and have some hot coffee to keep out the cold. What did he saw that in such a chilled atmosphere climate, the sweeper was working and it was very cold outside. So he just called the sweeper inside and told to have some coffee to warm up, to make him hot. Come and have some hot coffee to keep out of the cold. Means if he drinks the hot coffee, he will get little bit relaxation from the cold. The sweeper looked up, scarcely able to believe his ears. He was only too glad to put down his broom and come into the warm room. His old clothes steamed gently in the heat of the stove, and he clasped both red hands round the comforting warm mug as he drank. The sweeper was totally shocked to hear that someone is calling him to have the coffee. Normally we don't call the sweeper inside at our house. हम अपने किसी स्वीपर को हम अपने घर में बुला के उन्हें कॉफ़ी वगैरह देते नहीं या उनको बैठने के लिए नहीं बोलते. So he was also surprised to hear that someone is calling him and offering the hot coffee. तो that में उससे उनको क्या हो गई, उनको खुशी हुई जानकर, सुन के खुशी हुई. He was glad to put down his broom. So he put down his broom down and came into the room. His clothes steamed gently in the heat and the stove, and he clasped both red hands. Means warming up his hands and all. अब जब हमें ठंडी लगती है तो हम क्या करते हैं, जो गैस के पास जाते हैं या बाहर क्या करते हैं, लकड़ी वगैरह जला के उसको अपने आप को वहाँ खड़े हो जाते ताकि अपने को गर्मी महसूस होगी. So he was also standing over near the stove to warm it up. Papa Pana watched him with satisfaction, but every now and then his eyes strayed to the window. It would never do to miss his special visitor. Okay, now Papa Pana was totally satisfied because he called the sweeper inside, gave him the hot coffee, but he was again worried that he won't miss in seeing Jesus Christ. उनको कहीं ऐसा लग रहा था कि मैं अंदर रहूँगा तो हो सकता है कि जीसस क्राइस्ट आके वापस चला जाए. तो वो बार बार खिड़की से बाहर झांक रहे थे जानने के लिए कि जीसस क्राइस्ट तो नहीं आ रहे हैं. Expecting someone, the sweeper asked at the last. So Papa Pana told him about his trip. When the sweeper saw that Papa Pana was regularly going near the window and just peeping out to see somebody, तो he just asked क्या आप किसी को एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हो क्या. तो पापा पना उनको सारी कहानी बता देते कि उनको सपने में जीसस क्राइस्ट आए थे और जीसस क्राइस्ट ने मुझे बताया कि वो आज उनसे मिलने के लिए आएंगे, तो इसके लिए मैं उनका इंतज़ार यहाँ पे कर रहा हूँ. Well, I hope he comes, the sweeper said. You have given me a bit of Christmas cheer I never expected to have. I had say you deserve to have your dream come true, and he actually smiled. So the sweeper thanked Papa Pana and told that whomever you are expecting, यानी किसको भी आप एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हो अभी, जिससे मिलने की चाहत आपको इतनी है, मैं आशा करता हूँ कि वो आपसे मिले, आपका सपना सच हो और जीसस क्राइस्ट आपसे मिलने को आए. ऐसे आशा करते हुए he just leaves the room. When he had gone, Papa Pana put on cabbage soup for his dinner. Then he went to the door again, scanning the street. He saw no one, but he was mistaken. Someone was coming. Okay, after that he put a cabbage soup for his dinner. And cabbage के soup बना रहे थे for his dinner purpose. And again he went to the door again for looking for the Jesus Christ. But no one was there. He saw that no one was there. But still he saw someone was coming to near him. The girl walked so slowly and quietly, hugging the walls of the shops and the houses, and it was a while before he noticed her. She looked very tired and she was carrying something. As she drew nearer, he could see that it was a baby, wrapped in a thin shawl. There was such sadness in her face and in the pinched little face of the baby that Papa Pana's heart went out of them. He saw someone is coming, and as that person, when it came closer, he saw that it was a girl who was walking very slowly and quietly, hugging the walls. Means दीवार को टच करते करते धीरे धीरे धीमे धीमे से वो आ रही है. शी वॉज कमिंग. शी लुक्ड वेरी टायर्ड. द लेडी वॉज वेरी टायर्ड एंड शी वॉज कैरिंग समथिंग. शी वॉज, उनके हाथों में कुछ और था. when she came closer, it Papa Pana saw that she was carrying her baby. उसके वो लेडी के हाथ में उनका बच्चा था. wrapped in thin shawl. वो बच्चे को बहुत ही पतले कपड़े रैप से किया हुआ था, लपेटा हुआ था. देयर वॉज सच सैडनेस इन हर फेस. उनका चेहरे में, जो लेडी का चेहरे में सैडनेस था, उदासी थी. और बच्चा भी बहुत ये था, ठंडी से ये हो रहा था. दैट पापा पनास हार्ट वेंट आउट टू द. ओके, मतलब ये देख के उनको बहुत बुरा लगा कि बच्चे का चेहरा भी, बच्चा भी बहुत नाजुक है, पेल है, उसका चेहरे में पेलनेस है. और ये सब देख के उनको बहुत बुरा लगने लगा. Won't you come in? He called, stepping outside to meet them. You both need a warm by fire and a rest. Now he invited them also. वो लेडी को और उस बच्चे को उन्होंने इनवाइट किया. बोले, why don't you come inside and warm up you yourself and your baby and have a rest also. यानी तुम अपने आप को वार्म अप भी करो और थोड़ा सा रेस्ट ले लो. The young mother let him shepherd her indoors, and to the comfort of the armchair she gave a big sigh of relief. Shepherd someone to guide or direct someone in a particular direction. मतलब उनको गाइड करते हुए. The young mother let him मतलब यंग मदर ने क्या किया, उनको ये किया कि आप बताओ कहाँ बैठना है. शी वॉज जस्ट ये करने, और पापा पना उनको दिखा रहे थे कहाँ जाके बैठना है. तो दैट इज शेपर्ड आर इंडोर्स एंड टू द कम्फर्ट ऑफ द आर्म चेयर, एंड देयर शी वेंट एंड सेट. शी गेव अ बिग साई ऑफ रिलीफ. यानी उसके बाद उनको एक थोड़ा सा सुकून महसूस हुआ, क्योंकि इट वॉज वेरी चिल्ड आउटसाइड एंड शी वॉज कैरिंग अ स्मॉल बेबी एंड शी वॉज ऑल्सो टायर्ड, restless and other. I will warm some milk for the baby, Papa Pana said. I have had children of my own. I can feed her for you. He took the milk from the stove and carefully fed the baby from a spoon, warming her tiny feet by the stove at the same time. Okay, what did Papa Pana told that lady? You give me the child, I will feed the child with the milk. I know to feed the child because I too had my children's. मेरे भी बच्चे थे और मैंने उनको खिलाया है, तो मैं जानता हूँ किस तरह खिलाना है बच्चों को. तो जस्ट गिव मी द बेबी, आई विल फीड द बेबी विद द मिल्क. और उसको वैसे ही वार्म अप भी करते थे, स्टोव के पास रख के बच्चे के पैर को थोड़े स्टोव के करीब रखे ताकि उसको पैर को गर्माहट महसूस हो. She needs shoes, the cobbler said. Now Papa Pana said that the child, the small baby, needs the shoe. But the girl replied, I can't afford shoes. I have got no husband to bring home money. I am on my way to the next village to get work. Now what did the girls reply to their Papa Pana? Well, I can't afford to bring the shoe. मेरे पास, I don't have money. So I can't buy shoes for my child, and I have no husband also who will bring her money and give it to me. So I am just going for the next village to get some work. यानी वो लेडी का हस्बैंड शायद हो चुका, डेथ हो चुका है, और उनको कोई कमा के देने वाला कोई नहीं है, तो वो काम की तलाश में दूसरे विलेज जा रहे थे अपने बच्चे को अपने साथ लिए. A sudden thought flashed through the Papa Pana's mind. He remembered the little shoes he had looked at last night, but he had been keeping those for Jesus. He looked again at the cold little feet and made up his mind. Now, a sudden thought flashed. The early day, what did उसका पहले दिन क्या हुआ? He remembered the shoes which he had made and he kept it for the Jesus Christ. एक जूता उन्होंने बहुत जो बनाया था काफ़ी प्यारा था, उन्होंने बड़े संभाल के रखे थे, और वो जूता ही वांटेड टू प्रेजेंट इट टू जीसस क्राइस्ट। बट नाउ ही सॉ दैट द चाइल्ड इज फीलिंग कोल्ड, बच्चे के पैर जो है ठंडे पड़ रहे थे, तो उनका माइंड में स्ट्राइक हुआ कि वो जूते मैं इस बच्चे को दे दूँ। But he had been keeping those for Jesus. He looked again at the cold little feet and made up of his mind. मतलब अपने आप को तैयार किया कि वो जूते इस छोटी सी नन्ही सी जान को या बच्चे को दे दे। Try this on her, he said, handing the baby and the shoes to the mother. The beautiful little shoes were a perfect fit. The girl smiled happily and the baby girl with pleasure. He handed over the shoes and the child to that mother और बोले इसको डाल के देखो, पहना के देखो, इज इट परफेक्ट, एंड दे फाउंड इट अ परफेक्ट, और इट वॉज वेरी परफेक्ट टू द चाइल्ड्स लेग। आई एम सॉरी। You have been so kind to us, the girl said when she got up with the baby to go. May all your Christmas wishes come true. Na? Papa Panna gave the shoes to that child, and the child was also very happy because now she was feeling warm. पैर में जब हम लोग ठंडी में हम लोग क्या करते हैं, पैर में सॉक्स जूते वगैरह पहनते तो अपने को गर्मी महसूस होती। नाउ द बेबी वॉज ऑल्सो फीलिंग वार्म एंड शी वॉज ऑल्सो हैप्पी, इवन हर मदर वॉज हैप्पी। जाते जाते वो बोलते हैं आपकी जो भी खुशी है क्रिसमस विशेस है वो फुलफिल हो, ऐसी मेरी चाहत है। But Papa Panna was beginning to wonder if his very special Christmas wish would come true. Perhaps he had missed his visitor. He looked anxiously. पापा पना फिर से वॉन्डर करने लगे कि कहीं उनका विजिटर जिनको वो एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे थे जीसस क्राइस्ट, कि ऐसा तो नहीं वो मिस हो गए और उनका नज़र में नहीं आए। तो ही वॉज विशिंग दैट वेदर ही वुड बी एबल टू सी जीसस क्राइस्ट इन दिस क्रिसमस डे। The remaining part I will be explaining you in the next lecture. Okay, the half of the lesson is been remaining. So that I will be explaining in the next lecture. Okay, thank you.